So I just sat down to film the haul portion of this video and I realized I didn't really do an intro for this video. So as you saw from the title, I did do 2 days of thrifting and I went to 4 different stores. You guys really seem to like my last Thrift With Me video, so I hope you guys like this one as well. So yeah, let's go! I'm here at the Value Village, and this is a different Value Village than the one that I normally go to. I tried going to the Salvation Army and it was like a literal disaster. I didn't find anything, like I literally got like 2 minutes of footage. But yeah, so I'm here at a different one, so I thought we would check it out and see what we find. Ooh, this could be really cute. This with like a little white dress or something would be so cute. Now I'm in the skirt section and let's see. I want a yellow skirt really, really badly. This is so Madeline, it kills me. $3.99. Okay, third thrift store. Matching sets, my favorite section. This literally kills me. Like, I want this so bad. And then you go to my size and it's like lame. This is actually comical. $70, like pardon me. Hi guys, so it is day 2 of thrifting. I'm on my way right now. So I'm hoping to find a few things. I didn't really find too much yesterday, that's why I'm doing a second day. So I'm going back to the original Value Village that I usually go to. I usually have a lot of luck there, so hopefully I find some things today. So yeah, let's just go. Okay, let's try. I'm in the skirt section right now. Let's see what I find. Do I need a midi, like, wool blue skirt? Probably not, but we're gonna try it on anyway. I'm in the blazer section trying to see what I find here. I really like this. I don't know how itchy this would be, but it's really cute and it looks like a really nice length. I would totally try this on if it wasn't for this. Wait, I can't tell if this bag is cute or ugly. Ignore the boots, but like this is so cute. It does look way too much like the other one, so. It's just like baggy on the sides there, but I really like this like zigzag like design on it. I think that's really cute. Ooh, this is pretty. It's like wide. This one. Like this, but filled with flowers. Oh my god. Okay, this literally looks like the Annabelle doll, like the real one. If I had a spot to put this, I would buy it. One last browse. Hi guys, so I just got home from the thrift store. I changed really quickly and then I threw everything on top of my bed. I feel like I always have to like change clothes after I come home from the thrift store. I just feel like I just need to like wash them. I don't know. Anyway, so I thought I would show you guys everything that I got. It's really not that much. It just looks like a lot because they put it all into like individual bags. Yesterday I only got 2 items and one of them is this really cute yellow plaid blazer, and it is in like perfect condition. It's slightly a little big for me, but I think if I have like a tighter skirt or something like that, I think it would look really cute. For the try-on portion, I'm trying it on with like a cream colored skirt, but ideally I would wear it with something a little tighter just to kind of balance out how big this blazer is. And then the second thing I got is this cute little hat, and it's a straw hat, and then it has all of this kind of like flowery detailing there, if it'll focus, and it just reminds me of the 90s, mainly because it has this kind of like flipped up little like rim on it, and I just think it's like really cute, and I've been looking for a hat like that, so I'm really happy that I found it. It was $5.99, which is actually pretty expensive I think for a thrift store, but I've never seen anything like this, so I was like, okay, I might as well get it. So going on to the things that I got today, I did get this little picture frame, and it just hangs on the wall and it has a big bow at the top, and then it has these little circle picture frames, and they both connect with like a smaller little bow, and then at the end it just kind of has like this little tassel on it, and I just think it's like so pretty and so unique, and you don't really see things like this nowadays, and it was only $3.99, so I was like, okay, might as well get it. I don't particularly have a spot to put this in right now. My room is a little full, but I might just save it and put it in like a future room or something. I'm not really sure yet, but yeah. The next thing that I got is this box, and it is a circle box, and it has kind of like this, I don't want to say tweed, like plaid looking print on it. It's like a little fabric, and I got this particularly to store my grandmother's Christmas pearls because I needed a spot to put them in, because right now they're still sitting in the bag that she gave them to me, like I showed you guys in the video, so I wanted like a cuter place to kind of put them, so here we are. I didn't really pick up that many clothes today. I only got 2, but one of them is this cute little vest, and it is a red vest with this like argyle kind of print on it, and I feel like people don't wear vests enough, you know. I feel like no one really wears this sort of thing anymore, which makes me really sad because I think they're really cute. I have this little mini blue skirt, so I thought this paired with that with like a white blouse and like a little like bow tie thingy or something. It's like very like schoolgirl prep kind of look, which I'm really into, so I thought that would look really cute, and this was only $8.99, which is actually pretty expensive. I feel like Value Village has really bumped up their prices lately. I think my favorite find of the day is this really fuzzy cotton candy sweater. It's like so cute. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. I still don't know how to wash it. There's like no label on how to wash this. I'll probably hand wash it or take it to the dry cleaners or something, not really sure. This one was $5.99, so this is actually like a really decent price, I think, and it's just a little bit more unique and cute, and I love the little pastel baby colors. I also got this little basket, and this was 99 cents, so this is actually a pretty good deal, and I just thought this would look really cute with like for a picture with like a dress, and just kind of fill this up with like flowers and just holding it, and I just thought it would look really cute. You don't really see baskets in this shape, especially for this price, so I was like, okay, might as well get it. This will be really great for the summer. Last thing that I have is a little silk scarf, because of course I can't do a thrift with me video without having a scarf somewhere. And this one is a red and white striped scarf with some like flowers on it, and I just thought this would look really cute on my hair or like tied around my neck or something into a bow. I just thought it was a really cute find. So yeah, that is everything that I found at the thrift store in the past 2 days. I went to 4 different stores, so I hope you guys would like this video. Let me know if it's something that you guys want me to do more often, maybe like a couple times a year or 4 times a year, 1 per season, you know. And yeah, I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! Oh, make sure to follow me on Instagram. Okay, bye.